Welcome to Fremont, California, the heart of the Bay Area with endless possibilities for adventure. Families love Fremont for its top-rated schools, diverse dining, proximity to the tech industry, and outdoor recreation. You can hike the iconic trails of Mission Peaks, enjoy festivities at Lake Elizabeth, and the best part of all, Fremont is right in the middle of San Francisco, the Silicon Valley, and the East Bay. But do you know what would make Fremont even better? You. Today, I have a gift for you. Now, close your eyes, no peeking. Now imagine yourself living here in a single-story, 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home that's had a huge facelift in the Irvington area. How would that make you feel? Okay, now open your eyes. The key to make this a reality is in this box, and you can find it at 42795 Duville Park Court. I'm Renan Lanners, and if you'd like to schedule a private tour or learn more about this beautiful home, give me a call.